ukugcina ibandla nge-special item. Amen. Siyabonga i-special item esinandi kangaka nengoma enamandla kangaka. Yabona uma esizuleni ngiyibone khona lestanza lesi la bathe la isono singeke singene khona. Kodwa akathathe ngolimi lalombhalo lengoma azange asho njalo. Angazi ukufika umolest ukuthi ngachaza ukuthi
ukumolesta ukufika uzogqekeza
isho njalo uma uzoyifunda ngesingisi isho njalo lestanza lesithi there is a place of quiet rest near the heart of God where sin cannot molest. So it's one of the songs mhlambe esingatrayela ukugcula sabatha but it has a deep meaning sinomlayezo onzulu kakhulu.
Amen.
Kumnandi ukuba lapha. Ngithi nizoncipha ama-morning man. Ngiyoqala ukuthi morning man yami lena. Bathi ngiyabonga abazalwane for the ukuthi each and every service abazalwane bayafika ayikho iservice la othola khona yambo MTC then abantu abaphakathi kwethu ake nizishayele amandla omkhulu bazalwane. Kwamanye ama-district uma uyi-community kuthi uma kushaya lezi ikhathi ubona nge-birthday yayo lesingeka mhlawumbe ubona ngama-MTC akhona noma ubona ukuthi sekunzima but lokhu kuyi-evidence kaNkulunkulu phakathi kwethu bazalwane. Siyabonga uThixo ukusigcina siselokhu siwaqalile la madokodo. Nami ngiyambonga uNkulunkulu ukuthi he has preserved my voice. I'm still hoping tomorrow evening this voice will be there. I'll try my best ukuthi ibe khona i-voice for kusasa ntambama. Kunento enkuluzayo ilokho engayisho. Kunento enkuluzayo abanye bayazi ukuthi enkuluzayo. So just pray, make sure that sasa evening ukhona. Don't miss the evening service yakusasa. Amen bazalwane. Amen. Right, ngaphandle nje kokuchitha isikhathi umfundisi ubhala I think was it the morning man yangomsombuluko uke washumayela ngale text ngizofisa siyiphinde siyivule ke sizwe uThixo uthini futhi nathina namhlanje uDaniel chapter 3 sizofunda khona ke kodwa ke lama verse amabili ngifisa siwabheke uDaniel 3 uverse 24 no25 mangikhuluma nomfundisi ubhala lethi prof uyazi intshumayelo oyivulayo ngathi uNkulunkulu beyazi ukuthi it's one of ama-sermons ebengifisa ukwadlulisa uyahleka ukuthi hayi ungasashintsha ngempela uNkulunkulu unendlela yakhe because singalifunda sonke iBhayibheli but thola ukuthi we find different things messages within the text so that is the God that we serve phakathi kwethu sizovula kuDaniel chapter 3 sofunda khona uverse 24 no25 Daniel 3 uverse 24 no25 ngizofunda ke la kulesihumusho engisiphethe wena uzolandela kulesihumusho osiphethe ake sithi amen uma sonke sesitholile bazalwane amen wena nathi ngani sithole sonke abanye wethu asathola asaphethe amaBhayibheli Daniel 3 uverse 24 no25 amen asiphinde sithi amen mase sitholile amen siyabonga ngizoyifunda kulesihumusho nesiphethe landela wena kulesi onaso lapha ezathi ithi kanjena then King Nebuchadnezzar was astonished and he rose in the haste and spoke saying to his counselors, did we not cast 3 men bound into the midst of the fire? They answered and said to the king, true, O king. Verse 25, look, Nebuchadnezzar shojada. Look, he answered, I see 4 men loose, walking in the midst of the fire, and are not hurt. And the form of the 4th man is like the Son of God. Ngifisa niqaphele nje amagama la khona la athi khona uNebukadnezari uyababuza ukuthi asiphosanga yini amadoda amangaki amathathu kephi empilweni akapheleli lapho uNebukadnezari uthi did we not cast 3 men bound in the fire. Yaweza leyo nto le bese ku verse 25 usethi bhekani ngibona amadoda amangaki awu4 amane awafasiwe kephi emlilweni. Uyayizwa leyo nto leyo ufike uyabuza ukuthi siphosa amadoda asiphosanga amadoda amathathu kanjani aboshiwe emlilweni. Ake sivala amehlo masikhuleke. Baba wethu osekhaya ezulwini izwi lakho linamandla izwi lakho Nkosi liyaphilisa. Khulumisana ke uNkulunkulu ekseni nje nempilo zethu. Konke lokho siyakhuleka egameni leNkosi yethu Jesu Kristu. Amen. Amen. Zaku Jesu, zaku Jesu, zaku Jesu manje wena manje osakuye manje osindiswa manje wena manje osindiswa osakuye manje unamandla sifundile incwadi kaDaniel isahluko esesithathu la khona uma uzofunda incwadi kaDaniel it's mostly based on the faith iqukethe ukholo ikakhulukazi uma uzoyifunda uchapter 1 ufunde uchapter 2 ufunde uchapter 3 it is a book of faith in God incwadi elandisa ngamandla omuntu ofana nami nawe kodwa ekholelwa kubani kuThixo uma uzofunda ke in the olden days wazo ngoba no-Israel wawunonkulunkulu wakhe njengalesi sikhathi namaBhabhiloni at that time they had their God babenonkulunkulu babo so uma isizwe ke uma zizolwa izizwe they would come isikhathi la khona abapriest of each and every nation would come and they would pray to their God bethandaza kuNkulunkulu wabo ukuthi Nkosi thina sikhonzayo ngoba sizoya empini sifisa uhambe kanye nathi the victory will be dedicated to the capabilities of their God sisahambisana bazalwane uma ke uzofunda ngicela ukhumula le jazi engigqokile nje kancane so ngeke ngizengisinde lapho right uma ke uzofunda ke izwi likaNkulunkulu lithi izwi likaNkulunkulu uma ke izizwe zizohamba ziyolwa it was not just an ordinary battle lesibona kwiAmerica neIsrael njengamanje neIran it was not those wars but there was consisted of the God uma kuliwa isizwe sika-Israel silwa nesizwe saseBhabhiloni uma isizwe sika-Israel sinqotshwa empini not only is the kingdom of Israel conquered akusikho kuphela ukuthi isizwe sika-Israel siyanqotshwa kodwa lokho kuchaza ukuthi ngisho noNkulunkulu wakho unjani uqothiwe sayizwa leyo nto leyo so ngalesi sikhathi uma uNebukadnezari efika esizweni siba sabantwana baka-Israel eJerusalem uNebukadnezari lithi iBhayibheli then God handed the kingdom of Israel kwisandla sikaNebukadnezari because uNkulunkulu akanaye omunye uNkulunkulu angaqophisana naye akekho omunye uNkulunkulu onamandla alingana noNkulunkulu owadala izulu nomhlaba ensizwa iBhayibheli njalo uma uIsrael uzonqotshwa uNkulunkulu wayesho kuqala athi nginikezile ezandleni zezitha zenu ngoba kuyintando kaThixo ukuthi anqabe aphinde avume ukuthi unqotshwe empilweni sayizwa leyo nto leyo so Israel is not conquered because of the weakness of their God but Israel is conquered because of the willingness of their God Israel unqotshwa ngoba uThixo evumile ukuthi anqotshwe uyakhumbula uma uNkulunkulu ebiza umhlangano ezulwini uyafika uSathane athi uJoba akakhonzi ngoba ekhonza mhlambe ngoba efisa ukhonza ngoba umenzela izinto ezinjani ezinhle how about you remove the shield that you have on him abesethi uThixo I know my servant that he will be faithful even if I remove the shield uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo he evaluates our faith in him in such a way noma ngasinikezela ezandla zethu kodwa ngenxa yokholo lwethu uNkulunkulu ubonile ukuthi we shall conquer even if he remove the shield lithi iBhayibheli God delivers he delivers the children of Israel esandleni sabantwana baseBhabhiloni kodwa ngifisa unake lento uma uNebukadnezari esenqobile isizwe sabantwana baka-Israel ngifisa unake lento le nina abantu abasha nabadala uma engeNebukadnezari kuthiwa uNebukadnezari wafika mayefika esizweni watshela amasosha ukuthi listen uma singena lapha siyababulala bonke omama nobaba uma kukhulunywa ke about mothers and fathers kwakhulunywa ngabantu who were at the age of 30 till the age of 45 uma uNebukadnezari esho lo mlayo uthi when you enter into the kingdom of Israel make sure these people they die anibashi but abantu who are at the age of 5 years till the age of 29, and people who are beyond the age of 45, till those who are beyond the age of 45, they will no longer have the capabilities of fighting back Nebuchadnezzar. But ilabo ababenamandla okulwa noNebuchadnezzar kwakuyilabo who were at the age of 30 to the age of what? Of 45. So those people were supposed to be killed by Nebuchadnezzar. We are feeling Nebuchadnezzar in Amkigaba. He slaughters those people. He leaves the young people. He leaves the old people. God can fisunagele. Laba badala bayasala eJerusalem. Laba basha bayathathwa bayiswa ezweni laseGibhithe, because laba basha, they can still have the power to work for other nations. So angeke athathe uNebuchadnezzar amakhegu, yaxolisa ukushontana, athatha amakhegu ukuyokwakha isizwe sakhe. He needed young blood. He needed abantu abasha to strengthen his kingdom. Hence izwa iBhayibheli lithi kwakunabafana abane who were Shadrach, Meshach, uyabona ukuzofunda izwi likaThixo. These were young boys because they were capable of building the kingdom of Babylon. Uyabona umusitha sizolwa nebandla, asifuna abantu abadala, because they no longer have the capabilities to fight for his kingdom, but to funa abantu abasha, because they have the power to fight for his kingdom. Amen. The future of the church is not in the hands of the leaders, but the future of the church is on the young blood, the same very people that the church is neglecting to use in leadership. Little Bible, we are feeling Nebuchadnezzar, he takes these boys. Then we find in Daniel chapter 3, and then in French, we have the map that says, uthixo abasebenzisi basalithi iBhayibheli kwabakhona abanye ababekhona bephethe eBabylon, because these boys uShadrach, uMeshach, noAbednego, noDaniel were now supervisors on the throne of who? Of King Nebuchadnezzar. So kwakunabanye abaseBabylon, hayi laba bafike nabo eBabylon bazalwane, kodwa abanye abantu abasha abaseBabylon. Ngisilandele kahle le. These are foreigners. They come to the land of who? Of Nebuchadnezzar. Bafika sizweni sika Nebuchadnezzar begcwele umoya kaNkulunkulu. Bafika bayasebenza, uNkulunkulu uyabasebenzisa, bese kuthi labo abayisizwe sika Nebuchadnezzar, abantu abasha baphenduka babe nomona, ngoba bebona laba who are foreigners ukuthi banamandla okusebenzela inkosi undlula thina. How about we as young people? Kesiya kumona ngabantu abangenayo enkonzweni bafika basebenzela uThixo. Amen. Lithi iBhayibheli bafika begcwele umoya kaThixo basebenzela inkosi uNebuchadnezzar, and God uses these young people. Lithi iBhayibheli bathi no, inkosi base advise to have inkosi yakhumbula lelapho kumaphupha. By advice, because how about you build your own statue? Ukhanda isithombe segolide kodwa kube ngesakho. Ungasaba ikhanda lani legolide nesiliva nebronze kanye neiron, but akube igolide umzimba wonke manje. Inkosi yasikhanda lesithombe ebesithi inkosi wonke umuntu okhona esizweni sami makenze njani bazalwane, makaguqe mayezwe ihabhu lonke uhlobo le-instrument aguqe enze njani, akhule esithombeni. Ongeke azakhonze lithini iBhayibheli uzawufaka wephi? Asamsane ndawonye, angifuni nizele njengamanje. Ongeke azakhonze uzophosa esithandweni salini somlilo. Lithi iBhayibheli, then it happened ukuthi the first time selikhandiwe isithombe segolide, lakhala icilongo, kwakhala isigubhu, kwakhala isigingci, azibaguqa bonke. uDaniel at this time, he was in another city that was under the siege of Nebuchadnezzar. Hence is why uDaniel singamtholi kunesahluko. Not ukuthi Daniel wayekhona wagugayo, but Daniel it is suggested that Daniel was not around this time. Abantu ababesele kwakuShadrach noMeshach noAbednego. Uma kukhala iBhayibheli lithi abaguqa abafana abangaki abathathu. Ngifisa ukukhatha isitori short. Abaguqa abafana abathathu. Ebese lithi into abayenzayo mabeguqa laba bantu laba vela benomona bayahambe enkosini bathi Nkosi awushongo yini uthi uma kukhala ugubhu nayo yonke into bese kuba khona ongaguqu uzobathatha yini ubaphoseke phi esithandweni sonkini. Inkosi ithini ithi yebo ngikubisile lo. Ebese bethi laba nobakhona abafana abangaki abathathu abama advisors on your kingdom who have disobeyed your law. iBhayibheli bese lithi uNebukadnezar uyababiza, he calls them to his kingdom. Ifisa ke siyamsane la. uNebukadnezar ubiza labafana abathathu to inquire if ngempela le nto ayisayo injani iqiniso. Bayafika phambi kwenkosi. Mabefika phambi kwenkosi bathini? Inkosi iyababuza ukuthi bafana bami abathathu ngiyeza ngabe kuyiqiniso yini ukuthi nina aniguqi yini? Ngifisa uzwekele abayishoyo. Kunezinto ezimbili nje then I sit down. Bathi labafana abathathu Nkosi mana njalo Nkosi. Asidingi ukuziphendulela ke phi kule ndaba. Kodwa uNkulunkulu esimkhonzayo unamandla okwenzani okusikhulula esandleni somlilo ebese sikhulula ke phi esandleni sakho. Kodwa noma kungenjalo Nkosi makwazeke kuwe ukuthi ngeke senze njani ngeke siguqe. Kunezinto ezimbili engifisa uzi-understand then I sit down. Number one, these Hebrew boys bayakholelwa emandleni kaNkulunkulu. Kodwa ekholelweni emandleni kaNkulunkulu bayayiqonda nentambo kaNkulunkulu. That is why mabesho bathi Nkosi uNkulunkulu wethu esimkhonzayo unamandla okuchaza ukuthi our God lesimaziyo unamandla okusikhulula. Noma kunjani bebazalwane we need abantu abasha who believe in the power of God, that God can do things that no man can do. Bathi ngifisa unabelele eqondeni kodwa amandla kaNkulunkulu bazalwane. We must understand the will of God, because not understanding the will of God ungaqondi intando kaNkulunkulu sizokhuleka noma sesibona umuntu ukuthi uzoshona bese we become disappointed when God decided this person sleeps the death. Uyabona inkinga yethu bazalwane sikhuleka noma sibona ukuthi intando kathi kumele yenzeke ngayiphi indlela. Then we say uNkulunkulu ukuthi akekho empilweni zethu. Let's go to the verses that we read Mamika. Uyabona bazalwane uNebukadnezar uthe ngizobasa umlilo. Nazi izinto. Uthe uNebukadnezar usathi uNebukadnezar ngifisa uyinaki indlela ngithi one member one soul akini. Ngifisa lento le ikhuluma ngokuvangela. Uyabona kulento eshiwo nabafana istatement sogcina bathi Nkosi makwazeke kuwena namhlanje ukuthi ngeke senze njani siguqe umlilo. Uthi uNebukadnezar umlilo awuphinde kangaki kasikhombisa. Bese lithi iBhayibheli uNebukadnezar lithi wabiza amadoda ayenamandla ukubopha labafana abathathu ukuze babaphosele phi esithandweni sonkini. But bese lithi iBhayibheli the fire was made for the boys. If you understand the umlilo wawenzelwe obani abangaki abathathu. The fire was made for the 3 Hebrew boys because they are disobeying the command of the king to bow down with Thomas second the stable morning in goes. God ngifisa ukusho namhlanje ukuthi umlilo ngokwezwi lenkosi wawenzelwe abafana abathathu, kodwa ngokwezulu umlilo wawenzelwe abafana abathathu. But the fire was made for King Nebuchadnezzar. Let me tell you why. Inkosi uNebuchadnezzar mayisikho mandini uthi bathatheni niyobaphosa ngephi emlilweni. But ngifisa unake lento le. Oma amadoda bathatha labafana. Ithi iBhayibheli uyakhumbula ukuthi ngizoyisho ngesinye isikhathi. Uyabona alabafana bathathu bathi our God whom we serve is able to deliver us from the very finest. Ngifisa ubambe lamagama lawo. uNkulunkulu esimkhonza unamandla okusikhulula ngephi esithandweni sani somlilo. Ngifisa uyinakeke lento. Lithi iBhayibheli ngenkathi bethathwa beyophoswa esithandweni somlilo. Ngifisa unakeke uNkulunkulu mfundisi Mabasa wena unamandla angazi ukuthi waye because usanawo lawo manje. uNkulunkulu unamandla nangale sikhathi wayenamandla okunisa imvula njengozamxola ucima umlilo lowovutha. Ngifisa uyi-understand le ukuze abafana abathathu bangangeni kephi esithandweni somlilo because according to the Bible the fire was made for the 3 Hebrew boys. So God needs to set off the fire. That is a logical way for God to deliver the 3 Hebrew boys from the fire. Iyona ndlela eyenza uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu kwamele enze njani awucima umlilo ukuze abafana abathathu bengenze njani bangashi. Badlalela uNkulunkulu enze njani. God does not set off uNkulunkulu akawucima umlilo because the fire is not meant for the 3 Hebrew boys. But it is the 3 Hebrew boys who are going to go inside the fire. But the fire is not for them. And the fire is for who? For Nebuchadnezzar. Lo umlilo ungowakhe akangeni yena. Kodwa lo umlilo ungasibo owakhe. Bayangena ngephi emlilweni. Webasana uma singene emlilweni, the fire is not meant for us, but the fire is meant for those who are outside the fire. Listen to why I'm saying this. Abafana bathathu when uma beboshiwe ngifisa uyinake not only ukuthi babanjwa izigora zendawo but lithi iBhayibheli bafike bafaswa basebebanjwa izigora. So wozela mfowethu wozela khona uzoyinaka lento sigibele la phezulu uzoyinaka lento. Ngifisa uyinake bazalwane lento. Lithi iBhayibheli uma uzofunda nakudade White bekale uma uzofunda kudade White ngenkathi behanjiswa emlilweni izigora. Ngifisa ubuka amandla kaNkulunkulu. Igora ezazikadela abafana abathathu babehamba emva kwaba abafana abathathu behamba phambili bona. Siyezwana ngayohlala phansi. The 3 Hebrew boys were in front of the men that were sending them to the fire. But lithi iBhayibheli abafana abathathu abashanga kodwa kwasha abasemva kwabo. Amandla kaNkulunkulu ayakwenza ukuthi ngisho. Ngifisa unyaka lento bamkhigaba. Ukube izigora. Ngifisa ubuke lento. Ukube izigora zazingaphambili. Abafana abathathu bengemumva bona. Izigora zazizothi zisha. Abafana abathathu bese bejika bephindele emuva. So the 3 Hebrew boys needed to be in front so that they cannot see that the men that were sending them in the fire are being battered by the fire, that they are going inside in. Uyabona kwesinye isikhathi uNkulunkulu uzokwenza ukuthi uhambe phambili so that ungaboni izinto azenzela ngemuva kwakho. Lalela-ke masengithandaza. Lithi iBhayibheli bahamba ngaphambili ababoni ukuthi ngemuva kwenzekelani. But bese lithi iBhayibheli bangenela bona emlilweni bengasaqhutshwa umuntu. Lalela. Abasekho laba kade benjani not only ukuthi basingenela kodwa izinto ezazibabophile zaqaqeka ngenkathi bengena emlilweni. Sometimes when we enter in the fire, what Satan has found us zizoqaqeka lezo zinto ngegama likaJesu Kristu. Amen. Atalelake la siyakhona. Lithi iBhayibheli ngenkathi bengena emlilweni abazange beze beshe ngisho unwelelwani lwabo olulodwa. Not only did they not burn, but lithi iBhayibheli abazange beze ngisho beze benuke ngisho umlilo. but lalela ke la ngiyakhona lama verse eswafundile uNebukadnezar mayebheke emlilweni uthi asifakanga abafana abangaki abathathu emlilweni beboshiwe yini na bathi labo yebo Nkosi kunjalo ebesethi uNebukadnezar cha sengibona abantu abafana abangaki abawu4 amadoda angaki abawu4 lo wesini njengendodana kabani kaNkulunkulu. Listen to this webazalwane ububuthixo wawucima umlilo ukwenza ukuthi abafana abathathu bangangene emlilweni. uNebukadnezar wayengekaze ayibone indoda yesine but God needed ukuthi abafana abathathu bangene emlilweni ukuthi indoda yesine kunguJesu Kristu ibonakale emlilweni. Sometimes God will let us to go inside the fire not because sizosha emlilweni but because uNebukadnezar kumele abone uJesu Kristu khona emlilweni. Yabona kunilile sidlula kuyo kwesinye isikhathi uthi uyadedela nje uzathi dedwa ukuthi sometimes uNkulunkulu uyasidedela sidraye khona emlilweni kodwa singashi but engashiyeni kwethu uNkulunkulu usuke ezama indlela yabona kendazi ubuzile ukuthi ubani uNkulunkulu anamkhulula kephi esandleni sakhe because kwesinye isikhathi abantu bayabuza ukuthi ubani umuntu oyosikhipha kwinhlupheko esibhekane nayo. Sometimes God will let us go inside the fire and then they will ask and see the fundament inside the fire. Amen. Yeah. Ngoba sila emadokodweni uNkulunkulu lamadokodo singathi enzelwe thina but amadokodo awenzelwanga thina enzelwe abantu mase siphuma emlilweni basho ukuthi hayi man these people are no longer different, we see the fundament inside the fire. Kuyoba yingozi ukuthi noma sesiphumile emlilweni kodwa abantu abangaphandle komlilo bangayiboni indoda yesine kuwumlilo kade singene kuwona. As young people as we are, I pray ukuthi let our lives be transformed ngokungena kwethu emlilweni. Because kuyingozi ungena kulamadokodo ebese usuka kulamadokodo usuka usafana njengendlela ongene ngayo. I won't say necessarily we always need the fire for God to show himself in our lives. Sometimes we need to obey God in spite of whatever we go through in life. Because uNkulunkulu akabe uNkulunkulu empilweni zethu ngoba uNkulunkulu ngeke azasiveze njalo ngoba thina sekufanele singene emlilweni noma izinto zihamba kahle asimkhumbule simkhombise uNkulunkulu kwabanye abantu. Ngiyafisa ukuthi as we start this day namhlanje sazi ukuthi noma ngabe isipho obhekane naso uNkulunkulu leso simo uzama ukuveza amandla avezela abantu abangalazi igama lakhe. Ngizofisa ukuthi manje sisukume sicule ingoma number 216. I think u216 lothi qha uyedwa. Amen. Ngiyafisa ukukhuleka nomuntu othi I have felt maybe ukuthi kulomlilo engidlula kuwona ngingedwa uNkulunkulu akekho phakathi because lithi iBhayibheli alisho ukuthi abafana abathathu bamfika phakathi uJesu. Abafana abathathu they didn't even recognize that there was a fourth man inside the fire. They were only told by Nebuchadnezzar that there was a fourth man inside the fire. And I'm here to testify what he called indoda yesine kuwumlilo obhekane nawo. And if you do not believe and you feel as if you are lonely in whatever situation that you are facing, ngisho noma kuthiwa umdala umncane izimo esidlula kusona umuzizwe ngathi uwedwa. I am here to assure you that there is a fourth man inside the fire. Ikhona indoda yesine uJesu wathi ngizoba nani kuze kube njani kuze kube sekupheleni kweswe. And if you feel that you are alone in whatever you are facing, stand up with me as we are singing this song. If that is your prayer, say, Lord, I may not know your presence in my life. I may not touch you. I may not see you. But let assurance be there. Stand up with me as we sing this song, number 216.
ngine